So, hey guys, yesterday was like Friday, school, like school. This boy and me, we had like 4 boards of, yes, if you're wondering, Alicia, what grade I, yes, I'm in grade 3. It's going pretty good so far right now. It's June, Father's Day on Sunday, and I'm like, what the frick? This guy is still with handwriting by this morning. Guess what? It's Friday. It's Friday. We were done with that test like 2 hours ago. We only had like 4 hours of school. And we had 4 hours of school for like the whole week. It was like this week. So, of course, next week is like the last week of school. So, just gonna clean up everything in the class and yeah. Okay, that sounds normal. But this guy, when I looked at his book, he only wrote the word handwriting because it was still by phonics. Tell me how that makes sense. Because I'm already on the third. Let me get this. Okay, he's telling me to turn around, touch the ground, and do my work. But this guy only wrote the word handwriting, and I'm like, who told you have the right to tell me? Do you want to play it? I am on a board that was like wrote 5 minutes ago. Is what teacher said was. But yeah, he keeps telling me that, but he's talking to me. It's like, and like I just put my ruler down in front of me. He put his ruler down there, and like I put it in front of me. He also put his ruler in front of me. He's like, why are you copying me? And I'm like, turn around, touch the ground, and do your work because you're only by handwriting. He's like, okay, it was my teacher's birthday on Thursday, so she already left early. She like left 11 o'clock. We left 12 o'clock. So like, there's only like 2 more hours of school. Okay, yeah. Substitute teacher comes in. New teacher. I'm not gonna say his name. Okay, let's just call him Mr. P. Mr. P. Now, Mr. P. It's one of names that don't listen. His name is TikTok. And he's like, it's her fault. It's her fault. I'm thinking, he's from Jan. Tell me how that's possible. But right now, I'm just gonna do like a part 2. Part 2 because it's like really long.